Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to make a tip calculator in OSX. Now, as you can see here, we have the new project coming up here, and you can see that if I go to File, New, Project, this is the window that appears. And you also see that there's iOS, there's watchOS, and then there's OSX here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an application, and this is a Cocoa application. And if you didn't know this already, iOS is different from OSX, meaning that iOS is for iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. And if you see the watch here, it even does say iOS right there. So let's hop into the application here, and let's hop into the Cocoa application, and we'll say this is tip calculator, just like that, for OSX. And I think I already have one like this here. So we'll just put P1 at the end, which stands for Prototype 1. You can put in your organizational name like Mammoth Interactive, the language is Swift, and the rest of this is pretty standard. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and push Next here, and it should create your own Xcode folder, just like this. And this is what Xcode looks like. This is the actual feature here, and this is what we need to do in order to make our program here. As you can see at the top here, it is loading. So in the next tutorial, we'll quickly go over how an OSX application works. This includes a tutorial.